one of our weekend vlogs, which I'm hoping to do for the holiday season. Just kind of show you guys what there is to do in the Bay. We are starting with a big fat bike challenge that tourism is launching at Summerstrand. Is it Summerstrand? Is it Hobie Beach? Summerstrand. So we are on our way there and we will keep you posted. I'm not going to be riding a bike, guys. You don't know. No, Robin is going to be taking one for the team. So I'll keep you informed. Not as usual. As always, we are incredibly early. So we are going to do like a breakfast on the beach type thing just before the event starts, because it looks like I had the wrong time. Yeah, it's not the first time. So Aiden's finally waking up. Say hello, everybody. Aiden, say hello.
Guys, we want to continue. We carry on the beach all the way through Noordhoek. We come back through the UPE sand single track, which is very nice. And the other trail we run is the Sacramento Trail, from Sacramento Restaurant down to Sardinia Bay, all the way to Bushy Park. We come back inland. It's about a 2-hour ride. What's nice about all these rides is they're linear rides. So those are feeling tired can laze on the beach, have a bit of a suntan, and we'll pick you up on the way back again. So that's always quite cool.
Who are tired from jumping and exercising. Except that one, because she looks like nothing happened. So we are on our way to the next destination, which is the Youth Street Carnival. We had a lot of fun at the Fat Attack Bike Adventure. It's a Fat Attack Bike Adventure, right? Yeah. Robin actually went twice, which is saying a lot because he keeps acting like I'm forcing him to do these things. But he had fun. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Will you do it again?
Yes.
Aiden says let's not ride bike again, which is kind of how I felt, because the bikes actually, like, my legs were too short for that particular bike. The guys in charge did tell me that they have a smaller bike, so next time I should get not a kiddies bike. Next time I should get a small, because they have medium and large there, because I've got short legs. I know, me short never. Anyway, we're onto the street carnival now, and I will send you pictures from there. We didn't get as much footage of the actual Fat Attack thing as I wanted. Kiddies bike, because
ages 3 to 5.
Because Aiden wasn't in the best of moods. He was such a grumpy bum, so I couldn't really take video. But take my word for it, it was a lot of fun, and I will be blogging about it so you guys can get all the information. But for now, we are driving home and cleaning that face. Ooh.